during the day. It's a scorcher. It is extremely hot. We're doing about 24 miles per hour on the odometer, so that means we're doing about 25 with GPS. It's usually about 1 mile per hour off. So we're going to see how long and how far we can go on the 17.5 amp hour battery. Last week we did 10.4. We did about 16, 17 miles, and we're going to see how much this bad boy does. It is hot. It's about 100 degrees out right now. So what's new? What's new? So I wanted to drop a line on there and update on this whole technical support thing. You know, when I contacted friend Ebike support on Friday, when I got ghosted again for the second time, I decided to send a message off to the owner too, Carly. And Carly got back to me actually, well, not on the weekend, obviously, closed on the weekend, but got back to me on early Tuesday and offered, telling me that, you know, maybe you might want to check out the Facebook group, you know, which, you know, I don't have Facebook, so that's no good for me. But she did offer to call China to get that information. I told her thanks, but no thanks. I got the info from Electric Bike Reviews and from their forums, and we're good to go. So I thought that was pretty spectacular. So I take back my 100% dismal report on Fred E-Bike customer service. You know, deal with the owner, with Carly, and she'll get back to you. 48 hours is more than enough time for, I mean, that's plenty of time to, you know, for leeway time to get somebody to get back to you, and I appreciate that. So from this point forward, if you get a friend e-bike, I would suggest that you deal with the owner. Go on the website, hit the message, and get messages from them. Get messages sent out to her. So, and you know, calling China to get that information, that's spectacular. That's actually, that's fantastic customer support there. So good ups. I take it back, friend e-bike. You guys are awesome. Thanks for what you do. I am now happy that there is some line of communication there if need be. So just want to clarify that. So let's talk about what I did over the week. I had Tannis armor put on here. Unfortunately, I learned this the hard way. If you buy Tannis armor online, yeah, make sure to order 2 of them, because I thought if you ordered one, when you came with 2, you know, 2, one for the front, one for the back. No, it only comes for it only comes with 1. So if you're getting Tannis armor, remember to order 2 of them. So where did I put that? Well, upon advice, we put it on the back tire, since that's the one that gets most of the flats. So I've got Tannis armor on the back tire. And once I order the new one, get that in, I'll get that slapped onto the front tire. I'll do it myself, put it on there. But yeah, so anything different on, you know, raw ratty it? Not really. I mean, it feels, I don't know, maybe it's my bias, or maybe it's psychosomatic, but the rear tire, I mean, the ride feels more, I don't know, cushiony? I don't know. I didn't take any before or after to do an A/B test for you, so. But that so far, we're in the first leg, we're about halfway through it, and I'll pop back in when we get to the end of the leg and start the one back. Okay, making it around the roundabout, we finished the first leg. We're gonna be swinging around here. We're doing average about 24 miles per hour going into the wind, so we should do about, well, 23 on odometer, so showing about a mile per hour off. But now that we're going with the wind, we should get a little bit of a better speed here. But I don't know, it actually feels like I'm going into the wind more. Interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely going into the wind more. So yeah, we've dropped down to 22 miles per hour, and now I'm getting buffeted by the wind. So, but we're going, everything seems to be going all right. We're still keeping good speed. Bike's comfortable, ride's nice. Traffic seems to be good here. I forgot to put my little blinker on. I'm going to do that when I get back to you. Actually, I'm going to do that now. Okay, got my blinker on. Make sure people see me from behind. I think I put it upside down, but I'll fix that when I get to a much safer area, like when I restart the next leg. So far so good. I'm gonna keep the distance in mind here. I took a picture of it. It's one leg of this is about 4.5 miles. So each one back and forth, we're looking at about 9 miles each way. Each revolution. One total revolution here. So what my goal is to do 6. Excuse me. If I can do 6, I'm going to be a happy camper. So fingers crossed we get 6 on here. So we're about, we just started the second leg. Alrighty, so we finished the second leg, so that's about 9 miles done. We're going to slow down here and see where we are battery-wise and how we're looking. Gonna find some shade to do that though, because it's a scorcher. It is hot as heck. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this isn't looking good, boys and girls. Looks like we got 1 bar here, and that's what we had with the smaller battery. So this is interesting. This is really interesting. Let's stop here into the shade. See what we got. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. And this is supposed to be the bigger battery. This is supposed to be the 17.5. I don't know. I don't know if this is a... Wow. Yeah, 1 battery. That's, I mean, 1 bar. That's not good, boys and girls. And this is supposedly the big 17.5 amp hour battery. So I'm gonna do a little making sure I got my backlight turned on here and the whole thing. So I'm gonna turn this off now, and we're gonna start the second leg. But I don't think I'm gonna do the full. You know what? I'll probably do the full thing. I'll do it. I'll do it back and forth. Why not? Let's see if we can get 20 miles out of this. Alrighty. I'll be right back. Alrighty. After giving stopping for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, battery went back up to 3 bars. And well, that's better. So maybe it was usage there. And then bear in mind, we're moving more weight in the rear tire as well too. That with the Tannis armor on there, it's going to slow down the top end, as well as well, you know, rolling resistance should be better. But yeah, we're moving more mass now in that wheel. So it looks like I dropped our mile per hour to about 1. We're doing about 22 in odometer, but GPS usually is about a mile per hour faster. So let's see here, we're on our way back. We're going to do our 3rd leg now, and it looks like battery wise we're okay. So fingers crossed, and we're starting. Here we go, starting that turn. So we've done about 9 miles so far, and we're off to go ahead and do another 9 more. Alrighty. Well, that sucked. I gave myself a flat. It sucked. Oh, that really sucks. Okay, so that concludes my test. Blew out my tire, as you can see right here. 2 people stopped by and asked if I needed help. I thought that was fantastic.
Hey, you need help? You need a ride somewhere?
No, I'm good. I got my kid picking me up.
Right.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye.
Pardon?
What are you good?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you much. With the climate today and how people are, there are still good people out there willing to help. I want to thank those two gentlemen. Thank you very much. But I already got the kid on the way, so I'll let him take care of this. Anyway, that concludes it. You know, we still got two bars of battery left on here before I blew out the back tire. And it's like, I think I had too much air pressure in there. I think the tire was, the actual inner tube was too big. I might have to get a smaller one. But anyway, that concludes our test today. And I'll put up the mileage so you can all see how much we did before the tire blew out. But I'm pretty sure we could done 20 miles easy. Easily done 20 miles. So let me move forward a little bit to give more space for my kid here to pull over. That should be good there. So anyway, thanks for watching. I wish I could have gave you guys a full run there, but flat tire is a flat tire. So much for that Tanis, right? Anyway, you enjoy your Saturday and take care, and I guess I'll try this some other time. Be good, be safe. Thanks.